What if I told you the key to unlocking the feeling of stronger, more reliable erections wasn't a prescription, but a simple natural oil applied to one specific, often overlooked spot? What if a centuries-old remedy, when used correctly, could help you feel a renewed vitality down there, reminiscent of younger days? It sounds almost too simple, perhaps even unbelievable, but the hidden science behind castor oil and this secret spot may offer profound natural support. Stay tuned, because the power to naturally enhance your intimate life might be waiting for you with just a small, consistent routine. All right, no waiting. Let's get straight to the what and where. The specific spot I'm talking about for applying castor oil to naturally support stronger erections is the perineum. That's the area between your testicles and your anus. It's a highly vascular area, rich in nerve endings, and a crucial gateway to the pelvic floor muscles and blood vessels vital for erectile function. Now, for how to apply it, just a small amount of pure organic cold rest hexane-free castor oil. Gently rub it into this area with circular motions for about 30 to 60 seconds, ideally before bed or in the morning. That's it, just this simple nightly step. Now, you might be thinking, castor oil on that spot? How can something so simple potentially make such a profound difference? Don't go anywhere. I'll explain exactly why this may offer support for your blood flow down there in our next section. And just a bit later, I'll detail the precise and absolutely essential safety guidelines for applying it correctly, ensuring you get the full benefits without any risks. But first, let me share why I'm so confident in this recommendation. Welcome back to Vitality Health 101. I'm Dr. Christina Morgan. As a urologist, why the perineum is key for erections with over 15 years of experience, I've helped countless men over 60 navigate the often frustrating landscape of declining intimate health. Many of you feel this is just part of getting older and that you simply have to accept it. But what if I told you that while age plays a role, there's often a crucial overlooked factor in blood flow, subtle inflammation, and cellular health that you can address naturally? I understand the impact, the lack of spontaneity, the hit to your confidence, the feeling of disconnection. My mission is to empower you with natural supportive strategies. And this simple castor oil application is one of the most powerful and often surprising tools in that toolkit. As I've seen firsthand with my patients, let me share the inspiring story of George, a 72-year-old patient who felt trapped in this very cycle. George came to me deeply frustrated, admitting he'd almost given up on intimacy. He was skeptical of natural remedies, having tried countless expensive supplements with little to no effect. He confessed, "Doctor, I just want to feel like a man again. My wife and I miss that connection, but nothing seems to work." George's story perfectly illustrates how these intertwined issues can make a man feel less. But here's the empowering part. George experienced a remarkable turnaround after consistent use. And what did he add to his routine? Just this simple castor oil application to that specific spot every single day. He reported, "Doctor, I can't believe it. I feel a renewed confidence and a level of intimate vitality I hadn't felt in years." Of course, results can vary, but many men like George noticed gradual improvements within a few weeks of consistent practice. It's about consistent, natural support, not a magic bullet. Now, George's transformation castor oil science explained wasn't just luck. It's deeply rooted in some truly fascinating science. As I mentioned, you're probably wondering, okay, I get what to do, but why would this simple oil make such a difference for my erections and overall intimate health? Well, it all comes down to the unique properties of castor oil and crucially why that specific spot, the perineum, is so important. Let's dive in. First, at the heart of castor oil's power is something called ricinoleic acid. Don't let the name intimidate you. What's important is that this isn't just any fatty acid. It's truly special, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving abilities. So when you apply it topically, especially to the perineum, which remember is a highly permeable area, meaning it absorbs things exceptionally well into the tissues below, here's what we may start to see happening and how it connects directly to your intimate health. Think about inflammation for a moment. You see, even subtle chronic inflammation in that delicate pelvic region can absolutely, undeniably hinder proper blood flow and nerve function. And what are those two things? They're absolutely crucial for strong, healthy erections. So with castor oil's unique anti-inflammatory properties, we're potentially addressing that underlying blockage, essentially clearing a path for better, more natural function. Doesn't that make sense when you think about it? Then we have the lymphatic system. I often tell my patients to think of your lymphatic system as your body's incredibly efficient internal waste disposal and drainage system. When that system isn't flowing optimally in the pelvic area, it can lead to congestion and toxin buildup. Castor oil may help stimulate that lymphatic circulation, potentially reducing this congestion and creating a much healthier, cleaner, and more vibrant environment for optimal intimate function. It's about letting your body's natural systems work better. Now, this next point is a really big one for men looking for stronger erections, enhanced localized blood flow. The ricleic acid, especially when you combine it with that gentle massage we talked about, can help relax local blood vessels. And what's the incredible benefit of relaxed blood vessels? It potentially promotes a significant increase in blood flow directly to the penile tissues. More blood flow, as we all know, can mean more nitric oxide delivery, which is the absolute fundamental building block for achieving and maintaining firmness. That's where the real magic happens. And finally, it may support nerve health by potentially reducing inflammation and improving circulation in that critical area. It could help optimize nerve sensitivity and function, all essential components for a healthy, responsive sexual experience. So with these potential improvements, better blood flow, less inflammation, optimized nerve function, what does this actually mean for your day-to-day intimate life? What tangible changes can you truly hope to experience? This is where the science translates directly into the real benefits you're seeking, just like George. First and foremost, many men are looking for stronger, more reliable erections. This process may support just that. By potentially boosting blood flow and reducing inflammation, you're giving your body natural foundational support for robust firmness. Imagine that renewed confidence, that spontaneity returning. But it's not just firmness. Many also report enhanced sensation and sensitivity. When nerve health improves and congestion clears, it could naturally lead to a more heightened sense of touch and deeper enjoyment. That's a vital, often overlooked part of intimacy. Wouldn't you agree? And finally, a profound benefit I hear, increased confidence and overall vigor. Feeling a renewed sense of intimate capability and vitality naturally spills over. It boosts your self-esteem, your energy, and that zest for life we all seek. It's about feeling like yourself again, or even better. Now that you step-by-step application and safety guidelines fully understand the fascinating why behind castor oil's potential benefits, it's time to move to the how. As I promised earlier, this is the crucial section where we detail the precise and absolutely essential safety guidelines for applying it. This isn't just a list. This part is vital to ensure you're using this technique effectively and, most importantly, safely to avoid any unintended issues. Let's break it down step by step, almost as if we were doing this together. First, choose the right oil. This is non-negotiable. Truly, always, and I mean always, use pure, organic, cold-rest, hexane-free castor oil. We want the purest form for your sensitive areas. So, quality here really matters. Don't compromise on this. Next, perform a patch test. First, your safety is my absolute priority, and this step is crucial. Before applying to such a sensitive area, always rub just a tiny amount, maybe a drop or two, on your forearm. Then simply wait a full 24 hours. This is to ensure no allergic reaction or irritation occurs. Please, for your own comfort, don't skip this. Simple precaution. It can save you a lot of discomfort later. For application technique. So once you've had your shower or whenever the area is perfectly clean and dry, dispense approximately A4 to half a teaspoon, about 0.25 to 0.5 teaspoons of castor oil into your palm. Gently warm it between your fingers for a few seconds. This makes it a little more pleasant to apply and helps with absorption. Now rub this spot. Carefully apply the oil to your perineum. And remember, that's the area directly between your testicles and anus. Use gentle circular massage motions for about 30 to 60 seconds. You don't need to press hard. The goal here is good absorption and gentle stimulation. Think of it as a nurturing self-care ritual. And pay close attention to these crucial safety warnings. These are absolutely vital. And as your urologist, I can't stress them enough. Please listen carefully. For external use only, never ever apply this internally. That means no ingestion and absolutely no application inside any body cavities. We're strictly talking about topical external use. Avoid direct contact with the glands, the head of the penis, the urethra, or the anus itself. We're targeting the perineum, specifically the skin, not these more sensitive internal areas or mucous membranes. This distinction is key for your comfort and safety. And a very important note for those using protection, castor oil can weaken latex condoms. So if you're engaging in sexual activity and relying on latex protection, make sure you apply the oil well in advance and wash thoroughly. Or to be completely safe, choose a non-latex condom. Regarding frequency, I recommend starting with once daily, preferably in the evening, for about 2 to 4 weeks. This gives your body time to adjust. If your skin tolerates it well and you're seeing benefits, you may consider increasing to twice daily. Listen to your body. Finally, consistency is key. Just like any natural remedy, consistent application is absolutely vital. You won't see results overnight, but with patience and dedication, the cumulative effects can be significant. Within 3 to 4 weeks of consistent, safe practice, many men report noticing significant improvements in firmness, sensation, and overall intimate health. Give it time and be patient with your body and this process. Now, while this castor oil application can be a valuable natural tool to support your intimate health and medical advice for men over 60 vitality, remember it's always about being smart and safe with your health. As your urologist, I must emphasize this. If erectile dysfunction is persistent, severe, or if you have any underlying medical conditions, and I'm talking about things like heart issues, diabetes, prostate concerns, or known skin sensitivities, it's always wise to talk with your urologist or primary care doctor first. They can provide a comprehensive assessment tailored to your unique health profile. And here's another crucial point for men over 60, something we often see in my practice. If you're also experiencing persistent fatigue, unexplained loss of muscle mass, or a very low libido, please don't hesitate to ask your doctor about hormone evaluation. This is truly crucial for a comprehensive understanding of your health picture, as these symptoms can point to other underlying issues that need professional attention. Remember, natural practices like this are amazing allies, but they are never a substitute for professional medical diagnosis or treatment. Your doctor can assess your specific situation, rule out any serious underlying causes, and ensure this method is truly right for you. Never hesitate to seek this vital care. Your well-being, your peace of mind, and the quality of your intimate life are far too important to neglect. So, there you outro. 7-day castor oil challenge have it. We've covered the what, the why, the how, and the essential safety considerations. Your journey to renewed vigor, enhanced sensation, and potentially stronger, more reliable erections can genuinely start tomorrow with just this simple castor oil application to that specific spot. Don't let the challenges of aging define your quality of life. This is about reclaiming your vitality, your confidence, and your deep connections for yourself and for those you love. Are you ready to take the first step and unlock these benefits? Here's what you can do right now to join our community and start your journey. Subscribe to Vitality Health 101 for more doctor-backed natural solutions and empower your health journey. Join our 7-day castor oil challenge. I'd love for you to comment day 1 below after you try it and then check back on day 7 with your energy and firmness updates. I'm truly eager to hear your transformation. Please like this video and share it with a friend over 60 who could truly benefit from this vital information. Let's help more men feel their best. Thank you for investing wisely in your well-being today.